Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix the checkout unavailable on Shopify. So, if your Shopify checkout is unavailable, customers won't be able to complete purchases. Here's how to troubleshoot and fix it. The first one is checking Shopify status. So, navigate to a new tab, type in Shopify server status, hit enter, navigate to shopifystatus.com, and if Shopify is down, wait for them to fix it. If Shopify will be down, you will see a cross icon here instead of the stick icon. So in that case, you'll have to just wait. Now, second way to fix this problem is verifying your payment provider. So navigate to settings at left of your screen and navigate to payments and ensure that your payment method is active. If using Shopify payments, confirm that your account is verified just on this page. Now, third way to fix a problem is checking for suspended store or billing issues. Navigate to store, navigate to settings, then navigate to billings and ensure that there are no failed payments. If Shopify has suspended your store, contact Shopify support to resolve it. Now, fourth way to fix this problem is ensuring that checkout is enabled. Navigate to settings, navigate to checkouts and verify that checkout isn't disabled through this page. If you would have set up a checkout, make sure it is enabled. After this, you can check for conflicting apps or custom codes and remove them from your Shopify store. And sixth way to fix this problem is testing on different device or browser. So basically clear a browser cache or try using incognito mode. If that doesn't solve your problem, test the checkout on another device to rule out local issues. So after these steps, your checkout should be back to normal, allowing customers to complete their purchases. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.